After Visioneer 2.0 was 3D printed in 9 parts. These parts were then polished and spray painted. Now these parts are all dried up, let's get ready to assemble them along with soldering. This prototype has 3 sets of components. The casing for the front side has a clip to hold the bridge of the sunglasses. The other 2 casings were designed with a slot so the temple of the sunglasses can easily snap into. Now you see how these parts are fit onto the glasses. You can put them on glasses with similar curvatures and different styles. The front side has 2 parts. One part covers a sonar sensor and a camera with 2 openings to expose only the sensor's transceiver and the camera's aperture. Another part has a tunnel for the wires to be inserted. And this part slides into the other part to hold the sensor and camera in place. Now the camera and sensor are held in place. These 2 casings are almost the same with the exception of difference in the internal design. The casing for the left side has 3 parts. This part is a cover that closes the casing from the top. This solder unit contains a Raspberry Pi Zero, an Arduino Nano, a logic level converter, and an audio amplifier and accelerometer. This part carries a bone conductor and a vibrating motor. Now we can insert this solder unit into the casing. And close the casing with the cover. The holder for the bone conductor and vibrating motor will be connected to the bottom side of the casing with a hinge. The casing for the right side also has a cover to close from the top. The casing will contain a LiPo battery, a battery booster charger, and a power button. Now we can insert all these components into the casing and close it with the cover. This holder for bone conductor and vibrating motor will also be connected to the bottom side of this casing with a hinge. Now let's connect all these components with soldering. The 3 casing only use plugs for connection. This makes it easier for replacing parts or troubleshooting. Now all these components were soldered. Let's put everything together. Here's the finished prototype. Let's start testing.